Hello, Shepherd. Hi, did Holly get you up from your nap? Yeah. Got stripy onesie on. I think you could quickly water spanners, just so carrots. They'll be right, because I watered them this morning. The clouds are kind of a bit weird today, like speckly clouds. Look at that. It's like someone dipped a sponge into white paint and just splotched the sky. Hi everyone, I'd like to show you what we got from Costco. Costco for us is pretty much a almost 10-hour round trip because we live way out in the country and the nearest Costco is in a capital city. But we just happened to be there yesterday for little Shepherd's doctor appointment for little baby Shepherd. So we stopped at Costco before we went home. So I couldn't get, because I live such a long way away, I couldn't get any meat or any frozen things, but I did get a couple of cold things and we just tried to keep them cool in the back by keeping them all together and wrapped up. So I got this thing of veggie chips, big bucket of salted pretzels. This bucket is massive. Baby wipes. This is organic peach apricot fruit spread, so like jam. The bread sort of comes in 2 packs. Wholemeal bread. There's 2 pineapples there. Beef jerky sticks. This granola. This is that is not from Costco. This is a shampoo. Okay, so this is about 1/2 kilogram bag of dried blueberries. The kids have already been eating these. 1.2 kilo bag of cookie time. And these are funny, they're just like individual biscuits wrapped up. I thought they were going to be like packets of little biscuits, but anyway. Kids will like those. This is a organic Napolitana sauce. Yes, organic pasta sauce. Giant peanut butter, almond butter, strawberry jam, big bag of raisins, cranberries, sorry. Milk chocolate pretzels. This is pretty big. This is actually 2.4 kilogram. It's very heavy. Bag of quinoa. I don't know, when you're used to the normal supermarket sizes of things, these are quite large, but for some reason on the video they don't look that big, but like they are way bigger than the regular supermarket sizes. Big thing of onion powder, we use tons of that. Got a cumin because we also use tons of cumin all the time for our cooking. Bag of almond flour. I also got another bag of this and I gave it to my mum. Yeah, 1.36 kilos. I got 2 of these 1 litre Kirkland maple syrups. Big thing of baking paper. I'm hoping that actually fits in my drawer. Found these diced mango in fruit juice. 24 cups. Lolly snakes. Walnuts. 1.36 bag of walnuts. 3 kilogram bag of raw sugar. Mushroom crisps. They're yummy. Got some little gherkins. This thing of soap, 16 bars of soap. This was a 8-pack of cheese and bacon rolls. One is missing already. This is, I just pulled this stuff out the fridge just to show you. I got some cucumbers, celery, this 6-pack of capsicums, and this is quite large bag of tomatoes. It's actually 1 kilogram tomatoes, and this is a really big thing of blueberries. It was 1 kilogram thing of blueberries. It was a bit expensive though. Bag of baby carrots. We love these. Kilogram bag of baby carrots. This is a new type of yogurt that we're going to try. A DeSapo melon. These Primo salami stackers. 7 packs. These already, one's gone already. And I got 2 of these giant pizzas that we're going to have for tea tonight. These pizzas are pretty huge. Yeah. Some cheese. There's a 2-pack of pizza shredded cheese. And then I got these. Oh, you're dressed now. Excellent. Excellent. Oh, good. It's a lovely shirt. These buns just look really delicious. They have cream cheese icing. I can't eat these, but I just thought of my 2 older boys when I saw these because they love buns. Got a watermelon, and it got a bit dented in the car on the way home because it rolled around on the ground and wasn't secure. And some Tim Tams. What else? Oh, I didn't film this. Golden flax seeds. We might put that in our smoothies, I think. And this is quite a large bucket of honey. I think it's 3 kilogram bucket of honey. I don't know why, but everything on the camera, it doesn't look that big, but it's actually enormous. I didn't get them from Costco though. Hundreds and thousands. The kids are a bit excited about how big this hundreds and thousands container is. And these fruit snacks. So, gee, that's everything. There was a few other things too. Some have already been eaten. But the total of all of this stuff, because it is all bulk, was $888. Okay, I just forgot, or just remembered, sorry, that we also got this bag of 6.5 kilo bag of cat food, and this was so heavy, but this is actually a, I think, 25 kilogram bag of baker's flour. Got it here in the pantry, and also a bag of jasmine rice. Alright. Yeah, these words
Holly.
are
Go.
like more harder than like you've had in the past. But is hour. Say done when you're done. Ready for the next one.
Done.
Honest.
I think I know the next one. Honest is easy.
Exhausted.
Whoa.
Heir, as in he is an heir to the throne. Honour. It is an honour to know you, Holly. Shepherd. Shepherd is well as person that looks after sheep. Which person does this jumper belong to?
Santa.
That's done. Hello? Are you getting sad? Yeah, Mummy pick you up? Having that little fruit snack. Yeah. Nice. You're doing beads?
See, look at all these snakes. I mean snails, sorry, not snails. Oh, one escaped right here. Ugh. Oh no, this one right here. This one. Ooh, it's a snail. Come on, Autumn, I'll show you where more snails are. Autumn, here. Sadie, can you make sure that none of the snails escape, or do you want to come with me to get more? Come on. Okay, come on, Autumn. So, oh, Sadie, you get that one right there. There's heaps over here. Here, put them on there. Put them all on the lid. Good job.
Jeez.
Sadie, what are you doing? Is Sadie doing something?
Theta, don't touch the toaster, please.
Oh, what is it to 6? I all crust off these breads.
Bread, gherkins,
So
cheese,
what's best to just secretly film, but you don't tell them that you
bread. Should we have some lunch?
They're getting no smashed.
Yeah.
Look up there. It's like a waterfall.
That's the gutters overflowing.
That's like a waterfall. Oh my gosh, the bucket's full already. Can I get it?
No, you'll get soaked.
No, mine's not hail. It's just water.
don't move out.
Hey, Mum. This is